Our hotel gives us a bento box every single day. It's like the cutest thing ever. Ooh, yesterday ours was quite savory, or excuse me, sweet. Today it's a little more savory. So what do we've got? We've got tropical fruits. This looks like a mango. I can't wait to try this. And then we have a barbecue chicken wrap. So cute. And then, oh my god, this is the pièce de résistance. We have a little coconut cake. And I'm not usually a coconut fan, but we're gonna taste test them. You wanna be in my video? He's getting ready. He's like the princess of the house. Pudding on top, right? So good. Oh yeah. That's really good. That's fresh.